factoring x raised to the power 4 plus 4 times x square plus 16. So this is a x raised to the power 4 plus 4 times x square plus 16. Add a 4 times x square and subtract a 4 times x square. So add a 4 times x square and also subtract a 4 times x square. So this is a x raised to the power 4 plus 4 times x square plus 4 times x square will become 8 times x square, and this is a plus 16, and the last term is a 4 times x square. Now we write x raised to the power 4 as a x square whole square. We write this 16 as a 4 square and this 8 times x square as a 2x square multiply 4, which is equal to 8 times x square, minus we write this value as a 2 square, which is equal to 4, and this is a x square. Now we use the identity, which is a square plus 2 times product of ab plus b square. This is equal to a plus b whole square. Then this will become a, focus on this equation, x square is equal to a, this is a 2, then this is a and b, which is equal to 4, then last the b square. This is equal to a plus b, then this will become a x square plus 4 whole square, and we write this last term as a 2x whole square. Now in the next step we use this identity, which is a square minus b square. This is equal to a minus b multiply a plus b. Then this will become a x square plus 4 minus 2 times x multiply x square plus 4 plus 2 times x. So this is the factoring form of our question, and we have done. Thank you.